Hey guys, the Rage here. So today I want to do a quick unboxing of this PocketTek water dispenser. So this is good for 2, 3, 4, and 5 gallons. So really great. This is USB, it's rechargeable, which is nice. Comes with a charging cable. So without further ado, that's what comes inside the box for you guys. We have 2 hoses and 2 fittings and the USB charging cable. We have some instructions, which is great. And then we have the rechargeable filters. So, comes ready to go. All you have to do is push it right now. And you push it again, it stops. And the hose goes in here. You can see that's the back of it, the bottom. This flips open and closes. So, if you don't want to you don't need it all the time. It's easy to put away, store it, but really great. And I love how it's rechargeable, so you never have to worry about batteries or anything like that, which is great. So very quiet as well, so not bad at all. And like I said, it comes with 2 of each over here. So then you always have, in case you lose one or something, you have it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. There's like a little filter thingy over there. Yeah, it's really great tech. This is from PocketTek. So it's really nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go install this in your water gallon. Hopefully, you guys like it. Take care. Bye.